Okay, so this is my website. This is the homepage to start. Basically, the summary of the website is just so it's like a website for me to sell sneakers on with me and my dad. We have a business we've had. The business really started taking off in probably 2018. My dad's kind of been doing it since 1989. So I made this for us. So just we'll start here. This is my homepage. We have this logo custom made for us and everything. So I have my nav bar here with my 5 tabs here. I'll have this hover effect on them. I have my home photo here. I just picked this one because it kind of fit the color scheme, and I think it looks pretty cool. I have it so it stays, so it doesn't, the nav bar also doesn't come down on it. These here are all links as well to 3 different pages that I'll show you in a second. These pictures I put in a gallery, and then I end up just having to resize them and stuff like that. That was also like when I was getting feedback. One of the things that feedback I got was to kind of make these. I had them stuck together so to like have some space in between them, which did actually make it look a lot better. So that was super helpful. And then down here in my footer, I have working links to straight to our email, straight to our phone number, our Instagram, and our YouTube channel as well. So we'll start here. I'll come back to this browse page, but I'll start at this drop page right here. So to start, this page is basically like just telling consumers when certain shoes drop. So today's December 1st. So today on December 1st, these 3 shoes dropped this morning, so that consumers can kind of get an idea of what's coming up and whatnot. This is a page that I do want to put more work into before I actually publish the site public. Just because I want to be able to make it so these are all links to change this every single day. Right now I have to manually do it, but that is something I want to work on. But I wanted this to be a page in here for sure, just to kind of give consumers an idea of what's coming up. Here I have my about page with about me, about our company. Let's see, and the reason I did the quotations around this and everything is because if you guys don't know, these off-whites is kind of a signature thing with the shoe, so I kind of wanted to match the vibe of the home photo. Just kind of give it a little extra, like if people know about sneakers a lot, they'll know what that means. And then I just kind of explained our company here. We been going since 1989. We really began taking off a ton in 2019. Just trying to get huge recognition within the sneaker business, and we've actually grown fairly large. And I just threw a picture up of me and my dad here, just so kind of people can know what we are, know who we are, know that we're a family business here. And then here I did this contact page so that everybody, if they have any questions for us or any complaints, they can fill it out. They can have it sent to us, as well as I wanted this page to be on here just because, if we don't have a shoe necessarily that we're selling on the website right now, then they can hit us up and we can help them find it for them and get it sold to them and get it to them quickly. So let me go back to this browse page here. So this is the main basis of my site. I threw this on here for a limited time, receive a free Supreme accessory with any sneaker purchase. I thought that was a really cool thing to add, just kind of a little free bonus for everyone that's going to purchase sneakers with us. Also a cool thing to add in the code. So here I have this this shop. So this is basically every single item that we have in stock. So I have this bag here, fully functioning bag. You can add stuff to it. Search product, you can search anything on the website. And then each of these all have their own descriptions in them. Let me, I'll go on this one right here so you guys can kind of see. So that comes in here, it has the price of the shoe. Some of them have different sizes. So these are all these pictures are taken by me. I took them all and put them on this website. As well as every single size that's on here, I actually have. So I could literally publish this website right now and it could be fully functioning and I could actually sell all these sneakers that I have right now. So I made very detailed descriptions of every single shoe. I typed these all out myself. This is where a lot of my wording for each page is coming, where we needed 300 words. It's coming a lot from these descriptions. So yeah, you can add it to the bag. Let me go to one real quick where we actually have multiple sizes so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. I think I do in these guys. Yeah. So right here, all the different sizes, and each size, just kind of like with sneakers, each size is going to have a different price. So as the price of each size here, so when you change it, it updates your price. Those are the sizes we have in stock, the description, and then you can make an account with us as well, track your orders, and also That's another link to the shopping bag. I just wanted to put up here for easier accessibility for the customers. And yeah, so I actually have about 51 products, I believe, on here right now. I do have a few more I do want to add, but this is about what I wanted to put on here right now. A lot of shoes, sneakers, accessories, and streetwear here. So this one I did have to buy an extra pack for. So on these guys here, these are all links if you only want to shop sneakers. You just come to this right here. You should only shop the sneakers. So on this one, I did do 4 separate shops for all my pages, so I didn't want to pay multiple subscriptions right now. So this one only has 10 shoes on it, not all of them, but I did put our most coveted pairs that I'm selling on the website right now. As you can see, high priced. If you guys know about sneakers, these are all crazy shoes, super limited, and all up for sale right now. So these are all, I wanted to put these here if people are looking to ball out for sure. And then the streetwear here, I didn't have as much streetwear for sale right now just because I'm kind of holding a bit right now. But these are the 3 that I do have for sale, and like this is kind of cool. I mean, I have every single size in these, so you can come on here and buy any size you want. And then the accessories here, kind of same thing. These Louis Vuitton bears and stuff like that. A lot of Supreme accessories and products. Same thing as the other ones, all with descriptions, all with prices. This one's pretty cool right here. I'll show you. I have this whole bundle you can buy, or you can also buy them each separately. It'll give you your separate price for each thing if you do want that, or you can buy the full bundle, and it is a little bit discounted if you do go ahead and buy the full bundle there. So that's pretty much the basis on my website. I also, this guy right here will just take you right back to the home page as well. So that's kind of the basis of the looks on my website. Some of the my favorite things on here really were just the shop tabs, just because I love sneakers. I love even just looking, just browsing. So I love that, as well as I really, I thought it was kind of cool just having this shop in there. I also thought it was kind of cool how I did like this, the free sneaker purchase. Oh, that was some cool technology I threw in there. Some of the things I'm most proud of for sure. But definitely the things I'm most proud of is just these actual shop pages and how much time I put into actually writing all these descriptions is definitely the elements I'm most proud of in this website right now. Let's see. So I'll show you guys my code as well really quickly. Come here. So I actually did a different CSS for every single page. As you can see, I have a lot of tabs. It just made it a little bit easier for my keeping track of everything that I wanted to do on the page. So I have a wrapper here, just making the space on the outside of the website look nice. My nav bar, just the simple nav bar that we kind of learned all year. My homepage is it's pretty simple. Besides this gallery did give me some trouble. I'll show you the CSS here. It just took me a long time to figure out how to really size the images correctly using these 3 different selectors here and everything like that. And then yeah, kind of same thing for all of them. For these carts and everything, I have all the Java from Ecwig in here. For all the bag, the search bar, and all the sites. And then obviously all the pictures and the description stuff go through that Ecwid site, and it updates directly onto my website. So it's kind of the same thing for all of them. The drop one here, I did create a calendar actually. I had to type out each day and everything. And then like I was saying, it's pretty easy to come in and change the days when I want it, like the different drops and everything. So I just come in here and I just change the name, change the day, and change the image. Super easy. And then here as well, I'll just change this active class here to like tomorrow. I'll change it to day number 2, and then it'll highlight like the number 2 on the calendar as well. Contact page, I just did that same type of thing we did for the alumni page to add that contact page on there, link directly to me. So yeah, that's my website. I thought it turned out pretty well. I was pretty proud of what I did end up making. So yeah, thanks